Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, we're back in the E92 today, and we are headed over to the BMW dealership to meet up with Mo and Rudy, better known as Setters. And then we're about to head to this cafe and get some matcha. That's pretty much it. Mo just got his E36 back on the road, so we're probably gonna check that out. Crack a window for audio. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise, but you can hear the car a little bit better that way. Let me know what you guys think about this angle down in the comments, because it's not like a POV, but I think it's kind of cool because you get to see a little bit of everything. You still see the road and all that. But I feel like it's a little bit different. Sounds absolutely insane in any tunnels or underpasses or anything like that. Okay. Let's see. 36. No. Maybe this is the wrong way. Yeah, this just looks like inventory. Around here. My friends are not even here yet, so I guess we'll just park up. We'll park up and wait for them. Alright, that's close enough. I just feel like I'm gonna hit the exhaust or whatever when I park. Alright, so I'm with my boy Mo. He's got the E36, the 328i. And yeah, he's gonna tell y'all about it.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's me, I'm Moses. Yeah, this is my Boston Green E36, 1997. It's pretty cool. Got it from a cool ass guy in PA. He was really dope. Got it for a steal too, not gonna lie. The market for these, terrible. But the market on this one, just know, I know a guy. And that's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, this is my baby, man. Boston Green, 4-door sedan, 5-speed. It's pretty cool. Sounds pretty raw. It's on some DS2 wheels. You know, you see it. These ain't no reps. These are real. And yeah, got some sports seats right now. It's on the E46 brake setup. Converted it. It's pretty cool. It's got a Cassell tune. Redid the pipes all the way straight down. It's on a Cassell tune. Got an intake. As you can see, 328. Hashtag needs paint. If anybody wants to donate, needs paint. Thank you. I'd appreciate that. Other than that, yeah, it's just a cool car, man. I love my car. I hope to one day have a car seat in the back of it. Got my kids in it and shit, me and my wife, whoever that may be. Holla at your boy. And yeah, cool ass steering wheel. And yeah, that's really it. Oh, its nickname is Yoshi. This Yoshi right here. So I'd be Mario, and this my Yoshi. Yeah, that's it.
Rev it? It's sick.
Thank you, bro.
E36?
No, it's an E92.
Oh, you have the V8?
Yeah.
I want to buy one.
Yeah, they're fun.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
What have you done to that car?
Exhaust, intake, tune.
Anyway, see you later.
Take care. Yo, my check engine just came on. Check engine just came on. Yeah. I might have a misfire. Might have a misfire. Pull over? Okay, I'll follow you. Nah, just keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. In here, in here. I think it has a misfire. I don't know. All right, so pretty much what happened was I was just cruising and then check engine light came on and I'm pretty sure that I have a misfire. That's what it sounds like and that's what it feels like. So now I'm just waiting for someone to come with the reader and I guess we're gonna have to get that situated. Mo and I were gonna go to this other place, whatever. Anyway, so Mo dipped and yeah, hopefully there's nothing catastrophically wrong with the M3. We can hope.